Today's world is full of threats. Ethnic and religious conflicts, terrorism and organized crime affect every corner of the globe. The priority is to ensure the security of economic, military, and civilian buildings. Terrorists and criminals use the latest technological achievements, including unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones. Only in 2017, more than 2.8 million drones were sold worldwide, which means that the threat is growing at an unprecedented scale. Hertz Systems Limited, a Polish company with 30 years of experience in design and construction of security systems, has decided to respond to threats resulting from uncontrolled drone usage. A group of outstanding specialists have been working on creating a reliable and effective technology. As a result, the Hawk system has been created, a multi-sensor solution for the detection and neutralization of drones.